Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pana. I'm a little quiet right now because it is 9 o'clock, 8:40 in the morning. Fuzz. My brother is sleeping, so I don't want to be like super loud. But today I am going to LA with my friend Jerika. I'm really excited for this trip. We are going to Disneyland for 2 days. And we're flying down there, so this is going to be my Disneyland LA kind of trip vlog. You know, I always do this when I go on vacation and I have so much fun doing them. I am going to make sure this time that my music does not get blocked, so we are going to have not copyrighted music. So I'm really excited. We're gonna jump into this. I am leaving in about an hour, so yeah. Exciting stuff. All right, come on, let's go. So we finally made it to the hotel after like hours of life and everything, and then go to sleep and freaking Disney it up tomorrow. And I don't like talking in vlogs because I'm annoying, so we're just gonna have like a little pretty vlog video. All right. gang,
yeah,
peace.
How you doing, boo? Hey. Hey, Chief Holiday, this is it. Hey, let's get it.
Hey guys, it's Pana. I'm back from LA. I hope you guys really liked the video. A really fun time making it, and Disney was super fun with Jerika. Basically, I hope you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment down below. You know you want to follow this channel. It's super fun. So I'm sorry that I haven't not been posting on Sundays regularly. With my schedule, it's like really rough. But I am going to keep trying and post more and more. So I hope you guys really like this video, and I will see you sometime soon. All right, bye.